Hi guys, it's Trisha from Decisive Designs, Table and More Solutions, and Decisive Designs, bringing you this DIY mirror. Um, I had these now since Christmas, last Christmas, and I have now changed the room a bit into kind of a black and gold theme, and I want these mirrors because they're too silent. The silver just falls right into the wall like it's nothing. I don't think a lot of people notice it because it's so subtle. I want maybe a wow factor, or noticeable, so I can go over and say, let me look at myself today. How do I look today? Anyways, so I am painting these mirrors. I have two of them into black. It's HGTV Sherwin-Williams high gloss black paint, and it comes with a lot of numbers. I can put that in the description below. And I have painted the first one and it's completed, and I did 6 coats on it. So because it's silver and it's shiny, I had just scratched it off with a soft I can't think, sandpaper. Oh my goodness, I haven't said sandpaper in a while. I have just run it lightly over the surface of the frame, and what that does, it prepares the surface for the paint to adhere on it. But that one took so many, and what I noticed that the paint was sliding off it. You know, when you paint it and it's just not holding to the surface because it's not porous enough, right? So what I'm gonna do to this one, I'm gonna apply a primer to it first. I have a gray base primer that I'm gonna apply to it, and then I'm gonna paint it with the black paint, and then I'm gonna see how many coats I need to get to the same color that the other one was in or is in. So stay tuned. But I want this mirror to pop so that they are more noticeable, or actually not suitable, but kind of join in with what's going on around the room, right? All right, I can't think tonight, but stay tuned for the finishing look. Hi guys, Trish here with the second mirror of the first coat. I have decided not to go with the primer, but what I did was I scrubbed it down a little harder with the sandpaper, and the surface was more porous to add paint. So make sure your surface is porous enough so that you don't have to put on 50 coats or use a primer. Stay tuned. Getting there. I think 2 more coats and we're good to go. Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs. Decisive Designs, Table and More Solutions. bringing you the finishing look on the mirror that I was painting. My daughter did it justice. She added the finishing touches on this mirror and it's gorgeous. I can't wait for you to see it with all the other aesthetics that is in this room. I still have the tapes on because she's working on the other one so that we can jazz up this room. As Rebecca would say, zhuzh. We can zhuzh up this room. But yes, I added 2 human length mirror. If I may say that, to create symmetry with this bay window. And they are perfect. They frame this area so perfectly. So if you need to create symmetry or to zhuzh up a room, look at what you have first before you go out and get it. And you may need to just change it, meaning change the position of the piece or recreate something. You might do that through painting it, adding something else to it in order for you to get that cohesive look. Peace.